Can you actually use your Coinbase card at an ATM? Hey there, crypto enthusiast. Ever looked at your shiny new Coinbase card and wondered, can I just hit up the ATM for some cold hard cash? Well, that's the burning question we're tackling today. Let's dive in. Now, you'd think a card would be a card, right? You slip it in, punch in your PIN, and out comes your money. Simple. But when it comes to crypto and traditional finance, things can get a bit complicated. So, can you use your Coinbase card at an ATM? The short answer is, it depends. Let's break it down. What is a Coinbase card? First things first, let's clarify what a Coinbase card is. It's essentially a debit card linked to your Coinbase account. But here's the kicker, it's not a traditional debit card. Instead of being tied to a bank account filled with dollars, it's linked to your crypto holdings. When you use the card, your crypto is converted to fiat currency, like USD, on the fly. The ATM dilemma. So, can you use this crypto-backed card at your local ATM? Technically, yes, you can. Many ATMs accept Visa debit cards, and Coinbase cards are Visa branded. But there's a catch. Not all ATMs are created equal. Some ATMs might decline your card because it's linked to a cryptocurrency exchange. Others might charge exorbitant fees for cash withdrawals. And then there's the issue of daily withdrawal limits. The fees factor. Let's talk fees. Using your Coinbase card at an ATM can be expensive. Coinbase itself doesn't charge ATM fees, but the ATM operator might. These fees can range from a few dollars to a hefty sum. Plus, there's the potential for foreign transaction fees if you're traveling. Alternatives to ATM withdrawals. If you're looking to convert your crypto to cash, there might be better options than the ATM. Coinbase Sell. You can directly sell your crypto on the Coinbase platform and transfer the funds to your linked bank account. This usually comes with lower fees compared to ATM withdrawals. Crypto-to-cash exchanges. There are platforms specifically designed to convert crypto into cash. These platforms often offer competitive rates and convenient withdrawal options. So, should you use your Coinbase card at an ATM? Honestly, it depends on your specific situation. If you need cash urgently and there are no other options, it might be a viable solution. But if you have time, it's usually cheaper and more convenient to explore other methods. Check ATM fees. Before using an ATM, check for any posted fees. Consider daily limits. Be aware of your Coinbase card's daily withdrawal limit. Explore alternatives. Look into other methods of converting crypto to cash. And there you have it. Using your Coinbase card at an ATM is possible, but it's generally not the most cost-effective or convenient option. Understanding the fees, limits, and alternatives is key to making an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.